Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Solana price prediction and Solana news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Solana in 2022. Solana is a highly functional open source project that relies on the free nature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. The idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Thanks to its innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana is of interest to both small traders and institutional investors. The focus of the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance available on a larger scale. Anatoly Yakovenko is the face of the Solana project. His professional career began at Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks to become senior engineering manager in 2015. Later, his professional path changed, and Yakovenko moved to the position of a programmer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko began work on a project that would later come to life as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. With the involvement of several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and the SOL token went public in 2020, which has shown some weakness in recent quarters. Earlier in April, Robinhood said that the Lightning Network is coming to its app. And last news today about quantify your DeFi with these life-changing cryptos. Pac-Man Frog, PAC, Terra, Luna, and Solana, SOL. Decentralized finance, DeFi, is a new financial system based on distributed ledgers that are similar to those used by cryptocurrencies. Banks and financial institutions will no longer be able to control money, financial commodities, or financial services under this system. Cryptocurrency is an excellent investment that every investor should consider adding to their portfolio. A foray into the realm of DeFi is the way to go if you want more control over your hard-earned cash. Terra, Luna, and Solana, SOL, are two of the industry's most well-known names, while Pac-Man Frog, PAC, and Aquasis Protocol, AX, have just begun their interesting pre-sales. The Pac-Man Frog, PAC, pre-sale is already growing. The value of the DeFi cryptocurrency has surged by 30% in just 1 week. With almost 2 months left in the pre-sale, we can forecast that the coin's growth will be exponential. Similarly, Aquasis Protocol, AX, is taking a unique approach to DeFi and has already experienced substantial growth. Shaquille O'Neal each made a recent foray into the Solana ecosystem, O'Neal going so far as to add a SOL domain to his name on Twitter. In January, Jordan joined Multicoin Capital, Jump Crypto, Solana Ventures, and others to invest $46 million into the Solana NFT protocol Metaplex. Solana has been great partners to us from the beginning, Dong said. They're the biggest basketball fans, and one of the fastest growing blockchains for basketball players for NFTs out there. And the second news today is Luna outpaces ADA and SOL while Terra's pose mechanism trumps Cardano and Solana. The crypto market has seen a major reshuffling. Terra, Luna, has continued to outperform Solana, SOL, and Cardano, ADA, in market valuation. Per data from CoinGecko, Luna is now the 7th largest crypto, with a market capitalization of over $34 billion, while SOL and ADA clock in at 8th and 9th respectively. What has been driving Luna's rise? Several factors have been named as the reason for the impressive run Luna has seen. One of these is the unique use case and mode of operation that Terra has. Terra is a proof-of-stake block on a bullish Morningstar pattern for March, indicating that it was set to recover further after losses earlier in the month. The token is up nearly 33% from its March lows of around $81. Institutional interest. The DeGem hopes boost Solana SOL benefited from a slew of positive news through March. Last week, digital asset manager CoinShares and world number 3 crypto exchange FTX jointly launched an exchange-traded product that offers SOL staking rewards without directly buying the token. The product is geared chiefly towards institutional investors and is expected to draw a large amount of capital to SOL. The token also makes up nearly a quarter of the weightage in a recently launched smart contracts fund by digital assets manager Grayscale. Large-scale trading by investment houses is credited with spurring a massive crypto rally in 2021, and as such, is usually a bullish indicator. Krafton, developer of the wildly popular PUBG The DeGem, partnered with Solana Labs last week to develop blockchain games, drawing more attention to the token. Ethereum's planned shift to a POS model has also spurred interest in other projects in the space. After recent gains, SOL is the second largest player in the space. Solana price analysis. SOL value rises by 12%, following a Pensia announcement. Technical indicators elsewhere. In the top 10 cryptocurrencies, Ripple, XRP, is currently down by 7% to 80 cents, while Terra has also dropped by nearly 6% to $102. The rest of the coins in the upper echelons of the crypto market have variously recorded drops ranging from 4.4% to 0.5% over the last 24 hours. Solana's relative strength indicator, RSI, is getting ever closer to the 70 points mark. This would indicate that Sol scene is coming after the blockchain has been growing in popularity. Sandyman previously pointed out that the social media mentions of Terra has been on the rise. The social sentiment tracker said it expected to see at least a 20% to 30% increase in the price of Luna. However, Terraform Labs, the developers behind the blockchain, has been dealing with scrutiny from the SEC. Last week, U.S. federal judge ruled that Do Kwon, the CEO of Terraform Labs, should respond to the SEC subpoena filed in November. Luna continues to surge even as the market is watching for the outcome of the case. On the day, Luna is trading at around $93, up 6.77%. If you are looking for Solana price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, then you have come to the right place. We will share some of the most anticipated questions that seriously require attention and accurate answers. Sol rate prediction 2022. Sol will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Solana rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Solana rate will be almost $122.19. The maximum bet we can get is $142.07. Solana average price prediction for the end of 2022 could be around $125.72. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Sol price prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for Sol will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $182.67 and a minimum bid of $177.65. The maximum bid is expected to be around $211.87. Sol price forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Solana price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Sol will rise to around $262.85 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year could end with a maximum price of $312.30 with a minimum price $255.55 level. Solana price prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Solana will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of $446.11 in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $381.94 with a maximum price of $446.11 for 2025. Sol rate prediction 2026. The value of Solana will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Sol is expected to top out at $641.51 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it's very optimistic that Solana's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Sol will be between $508.24 and $523.51 expected in 2026 depending on the market.